Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows File Explorer search box not working on Windows 11. So let's get started the video. Let's fix this issue. So first of all, go to your apps, then click on setting, then guys simply click on system, then scroll down, click on troubleshoot, then scroll down, click on other troubleshooters, then guys search for the search and indexing, then click on run. As you can see here, click on run. Now guys simply click on the first option, then click on next. So guys, after you will get this, the problem is fixed. Now what you need to do is you need to restart the File Explorer. To restart the File Explorer, you need to open your taskbar, then click on more info, then click on Windows Explorer, then click on restart, or you can press the right button to restart the Windows Explorer. So after the restart guys, your problem will be solved. So hope you guys like this video. If you do guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.